Welcome to our channel. In this video, we'll show you how to activate a gift card without creating an account step by step, using methods accepted by most major brands. Step 1. Confirm the card is already loaded. Most gift cards are activated at the time of purchase, even if you don't have an account. Check the receipt to make sure the balance has been successfully added. Step 2. Read the instructions on the back of the card. Look specifically for phrases like "no account required" or "ready to use." Many brands allow direct usage online or in-store without signing up. Step 3. Prepare the card details. You will usually need the card number and the PIN or security code. Scratch off the protective strip carefully so the numbers remain clear and readable. Step 4. Use the card directly at checkout. For in-store purchases, simply present the card to the cashier or scan it at self-checkout. For online purchases, enter the gift card number and PIN during the payment process, just like a prepaid card. Step 5. Check the remaining balance. Most brands allow you to check your balance on their website or by phone without logging into an account. This helps you track how much is left on the card. Step 6. Keep the card and receipt safe. Until the balance is fully used, hold on to both in case you need customer support or encounter any issues. By following these steps, you can activate and use a gift card without creating an account or sharing personal information. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss our next guide.